Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Istanbul, where the local time is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and they could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft this afternoon, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached a designated area. You may now make and receive calls, as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. Ladies and gentlemen, when the seatbelt signs are switched off, we please ask that you remain seated and refrain from collecting personal belongings from your overhead stowages until your row number is announced, as we will be disembarking all customers in small groups by row numbers. Once again, please remain seated once the seatbelt signs have gone off. Do not collect luggage from the overhead locker until your row is called. Once your row is called, you may stand up, collect your belongings and disembark the aircraft. All of us at British Airways on the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in Istanbul and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. On behalf of my team in the cabin, it has been our pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Please may I remind you to maintain a distance of 2 metres between one another in the aircraft aisle, and please do not stop in the aisle whilst disembarking. If you have requested additional assistance, please remain seated until the aisle is clear and we are able to assist you further. Our cabin crew will be guiding you to ensure a smooth and fast disembarkation from the aircraft. Please wait for your row number to be announced before standing up. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, can we ask you all to keep your face masks on at this time? You should all be wearing a face mask covering both your mouth and your nose. Thank you.